I used to feel like myself full of energy, confident, and present in my own life. I didn't have to think about it, I just was. But somewhere along the way, things started to change. It wasn't sudden, it was subtle. I began feeling more tired than usual. Even after resting, my focus wasn't the same, and there was this quiet sense of disconnection, like I was no longer fully there in my own moments. At first, I thought it was just stress or maybe age catching up, so I did what most people do. I tried to fix it. I invested in skincare, followed wellness routines, took supplements, pushed myself to stay active. And while some things helped on the surface, deep down, nothing really shifted. I still didn't feel like me. There were days I would look in the mirror and pause, not because of wrinkles or lines, but because something felt missing. The spark in my eyes, the natural confidence, the energy I used to carry so effortlessly. Even socially, I noticed it. I wasn't as engaged, not as vibrant. I started holding back, feeling like I was slowly losing parts of myself I couldn't quite explain. That's when I realized maybe this wasn't just about aging on the outside, maybe it was something deeper, something internal. Then I came across stem cell therapy, and for the first time, it felt like I wasn't just being offered another temporary solution, but something that actually aimed to restore and regenerate from within. It wasn't about covering up the signs, it was about addressing the root of how I felt. Choosing Cancun for this journey made it even more meaningful. Being there, surrounded by calm, warmth, and space to breathe, it didn't feel like a medical trip. It felt like a reset. The environment itself was healing. And the care I received felt personal, thoughtful, like they truly saw me, not just my symptoms. As time went on, I began to notice changes. Not dramatic, not overnight, but real and steady. I woke up with more energy, my body felt lighter, my mind felt clearer. I started becoming more present again, enjoying conversations, laughing more naturally, and slowly that confidence I thought I had lost started to return. It wasn't just about looking better, it was about feeling alive again, feeling connected to myself, to my body, to my life. It's about reclaiming what's been fading, restoring your energy, and stepping forward as the best version of yourself. Because in the end, it's not about looking younger, it's about finally feeling like yourself again. If you've been searching for something deeper than surface level solutions, maybe it's time to explore what regenerative care can do for you. Discover your options with PlacidWay and take the first step toward feeling like yourself again.